Hello, I'm Dr. Steele, and today I want to talk to you about mouthwashes and mouth cancer. In fact, a lawsuit has just been filed in America against J&J, the manufacturers of Listerine mouthwash. Now, it's rather interesting that in Australia, the Australian Dental Association actually produced a report linking mouth cancer to the use of alcohol-containing mouthwashes. Now, this is not a 100% guaranteed link, but they were very suspicious that mouth cancer could be caused by the long-term use of alcohol-containing mouthwashes. Now, when you look at the mouthwashes in America and in England, Listerine itself has one of the highest concentrations of alcohol. Between 22% and 27% alcohol. Now, when you think of, a Stella beer is 5% and an average wine is about 12 to 13% and spirits are 40%, that's quite a high content. And we do know that mouth cancer is caused by certain lifestyle factors. One is alcohol intake and the other one is smoking. And mouth cancer is something you don't notice when it starts. It starts off as a small red or white spot or ulcer in your mouth. It's painless, you're not aware it's there, and most oral cancers are detected in the earlier stages by dentists just doing routine dental work. So of course it's very important that you do have a dental checkup on a regular basis, especially if you're an alcohol drinker and a smoker. The two combinations put you at much greater risk. But of course, using an alcoholic mouthwash, you're exposing yourself to alcohol. The advice on the mouthwash labels is rinse thoroughly for 30 seconds twice a day. So that's more exposure than drinking alcohol, which just goes past your mouth, in 1 or 2 seconds. And in fact, in Britain, we spend over £160 million a year on mouthwashes, and that's increasing by 10% a year. Now, why do they put alcohol in mouthwashes? Well, to give it a bit of an edge, but also alcohol improves the flavours that are in the mouthwash, such as menthol, eucalyptol, and thymol. So my advice to you would be, if you're a regular mouthwash user, to use alcohol-free mouthwashes. It's usually very obvious on the label of the mouthwash. Don't allow children to use alcohol-containing mouthwashes. And do have regular checkups with your dentist, because he can detect this in the very early stages. And for goodness sake, don't go drinking alcohol-containing mouthwashes, because the alcohol in there, it's not normal drinking alcohol, it's called denatured alcohol, which can contain chemicals that are dangerous. For example, they can use methanol to denature drinking alcohol, and methanol can cause blindness. So, in summary, don't use alcohol-containing mouthwashes, don't drink them, don't give them to your children, and get regular checkups with your dentist. Thanks for watching.